This is a 2014 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory setting for the driver's seat's position so you can recall your favorite position with the touch of one button, steering wheel mounted controls, steering wheel mounted gear shift, side curtain airbags, a push-button ignition, a four-wheel independent suspension, and this vehicle has less than 11,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Two Rivers Ford is located at 76 Belinda Parkway, I-40 exit 226, Mount Juliet Road at Providence. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.